explain today one particular question, which is find the gradient of the tangent at 2 minus 1. This is the point given 2 minus 1 on the curve, and the curve equation has been given here. The curve equation is an implicit function having with the x and y together. Let we differentiate and from there find out the dy by dx. So the equation written here, xy cube plus y square plus 1 equals to 0. So whole equation, implicit function, if you wanted to differentiate, we need to write differentiate with respect to x, then dy dx of whole thing. So the first part we need to apply here the product rule, x dy by dx of y cube, then plus y cube into dy by dx of x, plus this y square is a single term, so you can write it dy by dx of y square, plus then the last one is dy by dx of 1 equals to 0. Now let me finish our working. So x into y cube, from y cube we got from here 3y square, then we need to write dy by dx beside it, plus then y cube into 1 because x value is 1. If we differentiate x, we got 1 from there, and plus dy by dx of y square, it gives us 2y dy by dx, and plus 1 differentiation gives us 0 equals to 0 on the right side. So let's see dy by dx of, actually dy by dx of y cube, why you are writing this dy by dx of y cube, actually dy by dy of y cube into dy by dx, that is the expression. So it gives us 3y square then dy by dx. So that is the part actually I wrote here in that expression, dy by dx from here. And another one similar procedure have been applied here for dy by dx of y square, and from there we got 2y dy by dx. So let you continue for the rest of the part in this question. So the first portion, it is written 3xy square dy by dx, then plus y cube plus 2y dy by dx. Rather than making dy by dx as a subject, we can put our value of x and y together here. X value is 2 in that case, and the y value is minus 1. X is 2, y equals to minus 1. We're going to put this value now. So 3 into x value is 2 and y is minus 1, minus 1 whole square, 3xy square, then dy by dx, plus y value is minus 1, so you can write it minus 1 whole cube, then plus 2 into y value again minus 1. Let me put here dy by dx. So now simplify it more. 3 to the 6, minus 1 square is positive 1, so 6 dy by dx from here. Then minus 1 cube gives us minus 1, minus plus a minus, so minus 1 we can write, and from there we got 2 into 1 is minus 2 dy by dx. Then on the right side equals to 0. So from 6 dy by dx, if we subtract 2 dy by dx, then we got from there 4 dy by dx, and the 1 goes to the right side. Then from there we can write directly, if we make dy by dx subject, then it gives us 1 by 4. So this is the best way to do this differentiation. Rather than making dy by dx as a subject, we also can put that value after making dy by dx a subject, but best way in the equation, if we put x and y, then quickly you can find out our answer. Hope you understood the questions we have done in this video. You're welcome to see my next videos. Thanks for watching.